Cortas Jr. Jerry E. Pacol, Naga City. Dissertation, Interrelationships of Teachers' Instructional Competence, Working Discipline, and Learners' Academic Performance, Excellence in Oral Defense. Dikuk Shena Ann B. Kararayan, Naga City. Dissertation, Leaders' Instructional Competence, Teachers' Performance, and Learners' Academic Achievement, Excellence in Oral Defense. Doctor of Philosophy, major in Human Resource Management, Flores Salvador C. Sipocot, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Human Resource Management and Teachers' Performance, Excellence in Oral Defense. Doctor of Philosophy in Criminal Justice with a specialization in criminology, Calios Nestor Jr. D. Legazpi Albay. Dissertation, Effectiveness of Aftercare Programs for Former Rebels. Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, Abres Mayra Fe B. San Felipe, Naga City. Thesis, Parental Involvement on the Enhancement of Literacy Skills of Grade 2 Pupils. Alarcon Miriam P. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Reading Remediation Kit to reinforce reading abilities of grade 5 learners, Excellence in Oral Defense. Baroga Grace B. Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Teachers' Competence in the Use of Information Communication Technology and their Acceptance of Gamified Assessment Applications. Ederio Edlen E. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Phonological Awareness and Reading Competency of Kindergarten Pupils. Ignacio Joan A. Kamaligan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Pupils with Learning Difficulties, their characteristics towards a support mainstream instruction in inclusive setting. Mercado Marco A. Kararayan, Naga City. Capstone, Factors Affecting the Performance of Grade 8 Technical Vocational Education Shielded Metal Arc Welding Students. Narvato Rossi L. Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Challenges and Competencies of Multi-Grade Teachers, Excellence in Oral Defense. Naval Francis Alvin M. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Word Recognition and Reading Comprehension in English. Basis for crafting contextualized study materials for grade 2 pupils. Reñon Tiffany R. Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. Thesis, Phonemic Performance of Learners using Kindergarten Intervention Developmental Sheets or KIDS. Rito Marinel A. Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Management and Administration of St. Jude Thaddeus Learning Center. Basis in crafting multidisciplinary approach in education. Excellence in oral defense. Villamora Norilyn H. San Felipe, Naga City. Thesis, Homeroom Guidance, Implementation and its effects on the student's stress and coping capacity. Villar Alfie C. Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Teachers' Assessment Practices and Students' Academic Performance in Values Literacy. Habana Joy B. Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Teachers' Teaching Styles. Effects on learners' learning style in reading performance. Garciano Milugen P. San Pascual, Masbate. Thesis, Project Reading Enhancement Activities for School-Aged Children or REACH. Its effect to the reading comprehension skills of grade 5 learners. Excellence in oral defense. Imperial Sali, Magarao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Disaster Vulnerability and Preparedness of Elementary Schools. Basis on crafting a Disaster Risk Reduction Management or DRRM program. Excellence in oral defense. Liagado, Janeth H. Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Comprehensive Rapid Literacy Assessment of CRLA. Its influence on the skills of grade 1 learners. Mangubat Sara B. San Pascual, Masbate. Thesis, School Heads Management Skills and Teachers' Performance. Excellence in oral defense. Orlina Zenia, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Comprehension Skills and Academic Achievement of Grade 6 Learners. Reyes Esther San Agustin, Naga City. Thesis, Learners' English Language Learning Readiness and their Listening Comprehension. Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management. Abarrientos Maria Virginia II B. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Workload Stress and Coping Mechanisms of Public School Teachers. Aguilar Geraldine B. Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Video-based instruction and pupils' academic achievement of grade 4 pupils. Avengoza Jason H. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Pupils' participation, basis in crafting grade school handbook. Bon Jenny L. Thesis: Reading comprehension and numeracy achievement of the grade 2 pupils as basis for literacy worksheet. Excellence in oral defense. Brusas Aloha A. San Pascual, Masbate. Thesis: Double shift and academic performance of grade 9 learners in edukasyon sa pagpapakatao. Castellon Catherine C. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Video lesson instructions to improve the numeracy skills of grade 3 learners. Colyada Chona S. Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Learners' attitude and reading skills. Dicok Mark Andrew S. Kararayan, Naga City. Thesis: Validity and acceptability of interactive ebooks lesson for English 3 lessons. Excellence in oral defense. Faurilio Neresa S. Pili, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Management practices of Araling Panlipunan coordinators. Effect on curriculum implementation. Fausto Marian R. Pacol, Naga City. Thesis: Output monitoring system and learners' academic progress. Ilano Borja Maryjoy T. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Motivation of 4P student beneficiaries and their academic achievement or engagement. Lara Manilin I. Ilano Borja Maryjoy T. Excellence in oral defense. Lara Manilin I. Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Functionality of Parents-Teachers Association and their involvement in school administration. Excellence in oral defense. Lim Adselim D. San Felipe, Naga City. Thesis: Reading and numeracy skills of learners. Inputs in developing a skill book. Manacob Christine E. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Learners' Learning Behaviors and Academic Performance, Basis for Crafting an Academic Counseling Program. Manondo Lizelle M. Bagumbayan Sur, Naga City. Thesis, Development and Validation of Mother Tongue Skill Book for Grade 1 pupils. Excellence in Oral Defense. Nazareno Lorvina, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Contextualize videos in mother tongue, its effect on the comprehension skills of Grade 1 pupils. Olaviaga Janice B. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, 8-week Learning Recovery Plan Curriculum, its impact on the numeracy and literacy skills of Grade 1 pupils. Paz Melanie O. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Instructional Competencies and 21st Century Skills of Teachers, Basis for Project Development on Quality Education. Hitoriano Margie V. Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Geo-Tailored Stress Management Program for Secondary School Students, Excellence in Oral Defense. Riales Leonel P. Liboton, Naga City. Thesis, Reading and Mathematics Performance of Grade 4 Pupils, Basis for Crafting Literacy and Numeracy Skill Book, Excellence in Oral Defense. Renzo Ella May A. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Personalized Enriched Reading Toolkit, its influence to the reading capability of Grade 2 learners. Rickman Evelyn A. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Study Habits and Numeracy Performance of Grade 2 learners in Mathematics. Ruz Villa Kathrina P. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Teachers' Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge, or TPCK, and Pupils' Performance in Mathematics, Basis for Technology Enhancement Program, Excellence in Oral Defense. Sabido Elvis F. Magarao, Camarines Sur. Title, Thesis title, Learning Behavior and Academic Performance of Grade 6 Learners. Sarah Babita V. Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Technology and Livelihood Education and Teachers' Competence, Student Self-Efficacy and Academic Motivation in Technical Skills of Students. Talana Christine San Andres, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Teachers' Preparedness in Teaching and Pupils' Reading Performance Level, Basis for Crafting Supplementary Materials. Ubalde Catherine Marie F., Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Reading Competency Level of Kindergarten. Master of Arts in Education, major in English. Barameda Faye P., Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Educational Video Utilization and Learning Engagement of Students in Technology-Mediated Learning. Excellence in Oral Defense. Bola J.V. G., Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Reading Comprehension Level of Grade 7 Students and the Reading Intervention Supplementary Material. Excellence in Oral Defense. De los Reyes Alma L., Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Influence of Multimodality on Reading Comprehension Level of Grade 7 Learners. Excellence in Oral Defense. Gonzalez Melanie Adela B., Magarao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Competency-Based Video Lessons and Students' Academic Performance in English 9. Pendor Rhea M., Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Reading Comprehension and English Proficiency of Grade 7 Students. Excellence in Oral Defense. Rosero Wichel A., Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Grammatical Competence and Grammar Difficulties. Basis for Crafting Senior High School Work Text. Ulit-ukit Christine S., Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Students' Engagement in Game-Based Learning Approach and Their Learning Outcomes. Excellence in Oral Defense. Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino. Villafuerte Rochelle B., Magarao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Development at Balidasyon ng Module sa Komunikasyon at Pananaliksik sa Wika at Kulturang Pilipino. Abraham Bernardina Christie, Pili, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Pananaw sa mga estratehiyang pangwika at pagkatuto sa pagtuturo sa Filipino 10. Excellence in Oral Defense. Master of Arts in Education, major in Home Economics. Arce Ana Lisa T., Magarao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Health, Nutrition, and Socio-Economic Desirability of Avocado Persea Americana Seeds as Keto Chocolate Chip Cookies. Asis Aldrin Jake C., Daet, Camarines Norte. Thesis, Acceptability of Malabar Melastoma malabathricum lean as a fruit jam. Beliere Lielani S. Libmanan Camarines Sur. Thesis: chocolate chip cookies with white oyster mushroom. Plutorius, Florida. Its socio-economic acceptability. Lopez Jr. Eduardo G. Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: acceptability of Galyang, Crestoperma mercusi in making bread and pastry. Varde Juby B. San Felipe, Naga City. Thesis: purple yam, Dioscorea alata flour for baked products. Villano Eunice A. Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Thesis: saba banana peel as an extender for burger patties, its socio-economic acceptability. Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education. Arellano Chris Joven P. Thesis: tobacco, Nicotiana tabacum, and chili capsicum annum leaves extract as kitchen molds remover. Excellence in oral defense. Floriano Jepoy P. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Thesis: rose balsam, impatiens balsamina leaf extract, wound ointment. Its benefits to the pediatric population. Excellence in oral defense. Naa Limuel B. Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Information and Communication Technology or ICT skills of junior high school science teachers. Its influence on academic performance of learners. Navarro Krishna G. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis: orange peel, ipil-ipil, and eucalyptus leaves, herbally infused mosquito killer. Excellence in oral defense. Rebedine Lumabi Donna C. Calawag, Naga City. Thesis: jackfruit, Artocarpus heterophyllus, and Guava Psidium guava leaves extract, an herbal cream for abrasion wound. Excellence in oral defense. Roderick E. San Pascual, Masbate. Thesis: issues and challenges encountered by out-of-field teachers teaching in science. Excellence in oral defense. Andal Melody C. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis: eco-friendly bag from arrowroot, Maranta arundinacea fiber. Acceptability and economic value. Bello Nanema P. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Pili Canarium ovatum pulp extract as a potential organic powder of hydrogen paper. Excellence in oral defense. Quadrante Mary Grace S. Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Thesis: virgin coconut, Coccus nucifera L. oil and body belly, Jatropha podagrica leaf extract, a wound healing herbal cream, excellence in oral defense. The NCEAN Aron N, Pamplona, Camarines Sur, species, Casitas, Cassia alata, and aloe vera, aloe barbadensis leaf extract as herbal serum for fungal skin infections. Excellence in oral defense. Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics. Asiu Chris M. Vincent, Camarines Norte. Thesis, Constructivist-Oriented Worksheet in Improving Students' Competencies in Mathematics 8. Alarcon Anselmo Jr. S., Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Professional Attributes and Teaching Competence of Mathematics Teachers. Alarcon Gemma del Castillo, Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Geoboard, its effect on the performance of students in geometry. Alorin II Alejandro P., Lupi, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Module in Mathematics in a Modern World and Students' Performance, Excellence in Oral Defense. ASPA, Beverly C., Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Algebra Tiles, Manipulative Materials, its effect on the students' mathematical literacy and learning competencies, Excellence in Oral Defense. Batiancila J.N. L., San Pascual, Masbate. Thesis, Students' Language Anxiety and Achievements in Mathematics, Excellence in Oral Defense. SEPEC, Krisha May C., Pacol, Naga City. Thesis, Teaching Strategies, Effects on Students' Learning Styles and Academic Performance in General Mathematics. Cuarto Biada G., Milaor, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Performance of Grade 11 Students in Functions, General Mathematics Learning Activity Sheets. Isidoro Maya C., Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Mathematics Anxiety Level and Achievement of Grade 8 Students, Excellence in Oral Defense. Oval Manuel Jr. C., Pacol, Naga City. Thesis, Attributes of Teachers, Correlates the students' academic performance. San Juan Maria Salome F., Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Students' Numeracy Skills and Learning Competencies in Function, Basis in Crafting Learning Activity Sheet. Tonga Armando Jr. E. Siruma Camarines Sur. Thesis, contextualized learning activity sheets, its effects to students' academic performance. Villa Alan M. Pasacao Camarines Sur. Thesis, development and validation of a supplementary instructional material on polynomial function. Saludar Rocky D. San Pascual Masbate. Thesis, learners' achievement in Mathematics 7, basis for crafting task-aggregated learning activity sheets. Teves Mary Jane T. Calabanga Camarines Sur. Thesis, learners' learning styles and academic performance in Mathematics 6. Master of Arts in Education in Physical Education. Bautista Christine A. Mercedes Camarines Norte. Thesis, dance and sports engagement and academic learning of students. Flores Julian M. Daet Camarines Norte. Thesis, Camarines Norte Folk Dance Primer. Its effectiveness in enhancing dance skills of grade 7 students. Merencilio GNA, Goa, Camarines Sur. Thesis, physical fitness and academic performance of grade 7 students. Tarios Ramil L. Daet Camarines Norte. Thesis, multiple intelligences and academic achievement of grade 10 MAPE students. Tijares Estman A. Pili, Camarines Sur. Thesis, festival dances for grade 9 physical education. Basis for crafting video performance for student assessment. Master in Business Administration. Nemo Maria Erica Z. Pili, Camarines Sur. Thesis, workplace diversity and organizational commitment. Excellence in oral defense. De Los Santos Gemma G. Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, work motivation and retention strategies in agri-industrial machinery business. Nomo Janelle B. Calawag, Naga City. Thesis, employees' motivational factors and sales performance. Obinia John Evan A. Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thesis, corporate economic performance and employees' attrition. Basis for developing retention success program. Relayo Evelyn B. Labo, Camarines Norte. Thesis, award system for secondary school teaching personnel. Influence on their work performance and job satisfaction. Master in Public Administration. Gonzales Salve A. Pacol, Naga City. Thesis, effect of COVID-19 pandemic on the nutritional status of Bicol Medical Center frontliners. Excellence in oral defense. Perez Hanson A., San Felipe, Naga City. Thesis: Earthquake Preparedness of Fire Stations. Basis in formulating policy recommendations. Excellence in oral defense. Buere Alexander B., Kararayan, Naga City. Thesis: Usability of Personal Management Data Entry System, PMDES. Excellence in oral defense. Master of Science in Criminal Justice with specialization in criminology. Kaganda Raul T., Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis: School-based drug prevention and positive healthy school climate. Maridano Christian E., Daraga, Albay. Thesis: Lived experiences of former drug dependents in the 2nd District of Albay. Moran Hannibal C., Bacol, Naga City. Thesis: Towards an understanding of persons deprived of liberty journey from conviction to liberation. Excellence in oral defense. Organis Emirose D., Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Compliance of school safety and security practices and their achieved outcomes. Reyes Catherine F., Legazpi, Albay. Thesis: Exploring parental struggles and challenges of juvenile reoffenders. Rodriguez Daniel Franz J., Balatas, Naga City. Thesis: Mental and emotional toughness as correlates of criminology students' adversity quotients. Sola Dario P., Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Problems and prospects on health and wellness programs and police well-being of Naga City personnel.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Arts and Sciences, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and cups upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Accountancy and Finance, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and cups upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Health Sciences, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourself. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Teacher Education, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Engineering, please rise. You may now impose the class medallion and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Computer Studies, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Business and Management, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and cups upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Criminal Justice Education, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Please be seated. We now come to the conferment of the non-academic awards for undergraduate studies. Let the awardees come forward to receive their awards. Let the awardees of non-academic recognition come forward to receive their awards. The non-academic awards are given to NCF bona fide graduating students for their exemplary performance in extracurricular activities, in sports, band, cultural arts, and journalism, in accordance with the criteria and guidelines set forth by the Committee on Non-Academic Awards. Cultural Arts Award is given to members of NCF Coral for their dedicated service through sharing their special talents in the field of music and performing arts. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the Cultural Arts awardees. Arian V. Cabrito, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Myrina Grace Ann Argange, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Band Service Award is given to members of the Naga College Foundation Concert and Marching Band for their dedicated service through sharing their special talents and marvelous performances in the field of music. Let the Band Service awardees come forward to receive their awards. Robert Dominic Amador, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Ayla Jerry Villaranda, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Campus Journalism Award is an award given to members of the Naga Collegian in recognition of their steadfast commitment to responsible journalism and for continuously seeking the truth to better serve the school and community. Let the Campus Journalism awardees come forward to receive their awards. Jomiel Reyes C. Aguirre, Bronze Medallion and Certificate. Sports Achievement Award is an award given to graduating varsity players for having excelled in any of the various sports and athletic competitions, showcasing outstanding sportsmanship and discipline, skills and talents reflective of a true NCEAN, thereby bringing honor and prestige to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Let the Sports Achievement awardees come forward to receive their awards. Rose Ann Abiog, Basketball, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Ariel Baduria, Tennis, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Michael C. Lenyog, Taekwondo, Silver Medallion and Certificate. James Kevin Masinas, Basketball, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Vincent Maliapre, Basketball, Silver Medallion and Certificate. John Ray Salarza, Billiards, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Richelle Sapinoso, Basketball, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Danica May Segi, Basketball, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Julius Tiburcio, Basketball, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Michael E. Valdez, Billiards, Silver Medallion and Certificate. Aljon M. Baduya, Volleyball, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Audie R. Bediones, Football, Gold Medallion and Certificate. David N. Cavite II, Volleyball, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Eliza John David, Chess, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Jake Depositario, Sepak Takraw, Gold Medallion and Certificate. Gabriel B. Junicio, Volleyball, gold medallion and certificate. Emmanuel III and Inalpe, football, gold medallion and certificate. Warden Obsequio, Sepak Takraw, gold medallion and certificate. Rovic Raimundo, volleyball, gold medallion and certificate. Robert Samuel Cyril Dan, football, gold medallion and certificate. RJ Royol, Sepak Takraw, gold medallion and certificate. John Denver Sese, Sepak Takraw, gold medallion and certificate. Izer Junior Terubia, Sepak Takraw, gold medallion and certificate. Eileen Velez, athletics, gold medallion and certificate. John Brenner H. Villamora, taekwondo, gold medallion and certificate. Romar M. Villarez, football, gold medallion and certificate. We now come to the awarding of the special non-academic recognition. Presidential Plaque of Merit is hereby conferred on Iris Ignacio Oresca, Binibining Camarines Norte 2023, Miss Kaugma 2023, and Daragang Magayon 2024. As a recognition of her significant milestones in pageantry and the beauty industry, as an ambassador of the heritage of Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, and Albay, that brought pride and honor to Naga College Foundation Incorporated. We now come to the awarding of the Melchor T. Villanueva Service Leadership Award, the highest award given to NCF graduating students who have demonstrated exemplary performance in co-curricular activities throughout the entire stay in college, and for having shown commitment to selfless service and dynamic leadership that epitomizes the true essence of an NCEAN, who brings honor and prestige to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Let the MTV Service Leadership Awardees come forward to receive their awards. Leah Marie Alarte Abad, bronze medallion and plaque. Jan Francine Bobe Sabante, bronze medallion and plaque. Rene B. Acero, bronze medallion and plaque. Edith D. Apenado, bronze medallion and plaque. Alexa B. Ariston, bronze medallion and plaque. Mark P. Asu, bronze medallion and plaque. Curly May F. Badong, bronze medallion and plaque. Marniela C. Berido, bronze medallion and plaque. Stephanie Bonito, bronze medallion and plaque. Maria Jo Eliza G. Borromeo, bronze medallion and plaque. Emmeline Coronel Cabase, bronze medallion and plaque. Jasmine B. Cáceres, bronze medallion and plaque. Jesusa Krisha B. Cáceres, bronze medallion and plaque. Marion B. Calera, bronze medallion and plaque. Carla May M. Calieja, bronze medallion and plaque. Carlo Olaso Camacho, bronze medallion and plaque. Gresling Nicole Pagao Camoral, bronze medallion and plaque. Regina Carla Capacio, bronze medallion and plaque. Renalyn Morales Chavez, bronze medallion and plaque. Jessamine Camba Colliantes, bronze medallion and plaque. Annual May B. Corporal, bronze medallion and plaque. Janice V. Cortesano, bronze medallion and plaque. Sheen Pandas Dacilio, bronze medallion and plaque. Erica C. De Lima, bronze medallion and plaque. Veronica De La Torre, bronze medallion and plaque. Karen K. T. Escaro, bronze medallion and plaque. Haku S. Fortuno, bronze medallion and plaque. Rayame de San Francisco, bronze medallion and plaque. Maria Crizel R. Fuerte, bronze medallion and plaque. Faye Abasola Galvan, bronze medallion and plaque. Mary Rose S. Galvez, bronze medallion and plaque. Ederlyn Grajo, bronze medallion and plaque. Isidoro Ricabel O, bronze medallion and plaque. Belle Bianca B. Salva, bronze medallion and plaque. Ivan Gian A. Casilag, bronze medallion and plaque. Joshua L. Lazaro, bronze medallion and plaque. Rizalyn D. Larry, bronze medallion and plaque. Marie Eliza Therese P. Malate, bronze medallion and plaque. Zyrene Jane Victoria Masayas, bronze medallion and plaque. John Mel D. Napile, bronze medallion and plaque. Princess Jewelyn B. Nicolas, bronze medallion and plaque. Crystal Jane Orlina, bronze medallion and plaque. Nika Jane Panambo, bronze medallion and plaque. Emil Panciles, bronze medallion and plaque. Mayan R. Panelo, bronze medallion and plaque. Jonaline Cabras Peñon, bronze medallion and plaque. Rick I. Puerta, bronze medallion and plaque. Ferdinand Jr. C. Rizal, bronze medallion and plaque. He's also a recipient of Sports Achievement Award in Basketball, silver medallion. Angela de la Cruz Rivereza, bronze medallion and plaque. Christine A. Reyes, bronze medallion and plaque. John Jomor L. Riñono, bronze medallion and plaque. Jonabel Rivares, bronze medallion and plaque. Janine Abigail G. Sanchez, bronze medallion and plaque. Razelme Tud Cias, bronze medallion and plaque. Kristen May Villafria Taduran, bronze medallion and plaque. Eliza May Gunawon Velitario, bronze medallion and plaque. Maria Cristina Agonos Vivares, bronze medallion and plaque. Kim Carl Villanueva, bronze medallion and plaque. Carlo T. Zuela, bronze medallion and plaque. Marie Fe Cáceres Abiada, silver medallion and plaque. Mark Christian Abanico Amante, silver medallion and plaque. He's also a recipient of Campus Journalism Award, silver medallion and certificate. Mary Joy Sabelala Amo, silver medallion and plaque. Jessa Alano Areliaga, silver medallion and plaque. Michelle Ann Encinas Aspe, silver medallion and plaque. Gwendolyn Medjavilio Bailen, silver medallion and plaque. Catherine Justin D. Beletario, silver medallion and plaque. Andrea Bianca N. Colores, silver medallion and plaque. Renalyn Temporal Doliaga, silver medallion and plaque. Cherry Joyce Estrella, silver medallion and plaque. Cassie Flores, silver medallion and plaque. Sheena Marie Royales Francisco, silver medallion and plaque. Christine Paraiso Inofre, silver medallion and plaque. Anthony Soriano Lizardo, silver medallion and plaque. Mitch Peñaranda Lustre, silver medallion and plaque. Ira May Lozano, silver medallion and plaque. Jeff Adrian Maroliano, silver medallion and plaque. Mike O. Martinez, silver medallion and plaque. Maria Bridget Melia, silver medallion and plaque. Sophia Jane Aguirre Miranda, silver medallion and plaque. Mika Aim Jester J. Mirando, silver medallion and plaque. Jeanette Faye Ruby Morcilia, silver medallion and plaque. James Ivan El Nino, silver medallion and plaque. Carla Avancenia Noora, silver medallion and plaque. Dominic Alfie P. Paa, silver medallion and plaque. Janelle Zyla Villarreal Pactao, silver medallion and plaque. Jazel Pauline Sudsod Piñafiel, silver medallion and plaque. Rosella Rodriguez Pojado, silver medallion and plaque. Ricky D. Sabatera, silver medallion and plaque. Alvin Padua San Juan, silver medallion and plaque. Alison Diaz Sanchez, silver medallion and plaque. Charlene Mesa Tuito, silver medallion and plaque. Cristina R. Valenzuela, silver medallion and plaque. Diane Villanueva, silver medallion and plaque. Ella Hornales Alcomendas, gold medallion and plaque. Arjanel Bayabay Aragon, gold medallion and plaque. Leia Abarientos Arroyo, gold medallion and plaque. Sherilyn Buenafrancisca Basinio, gold medallion and plaque. Beverly Joy de la Trinidad Carillo, gold medallion and plaque. Kyla M. Casulia, gold medallion and plaque. Jaynord L. Cataga, gold medallion and plaque. Irene Spirito Chavez, gold medallion and plaque. Don Valen Bercasio Colarina, gold medallion and plaque. He's also a recipient of Sports Achievement Award in Chess, gold medallion and certificate. Crimson K. Consulta, gold medallion and plaque. Mylene L. Cornelio, gold medallion and plaque. Janine Fabiliar David, gold medallion and plaque. Fernando B. Manuel Jr., gold medallion and plaque. Dedre Ann B. Labordo, gold medallion and plaque. She's also a recipient of Campus Journalism Award, gold medallion and certificate. Lovely O. Lopez, gold medallion and plaque. Katrina B. Loyola, gold medallion and plaque. Maria Rose Ann G. Mendez, gold medallion and plaque. Darlene Jassy P. Milla, gold medallion and plaque. Jediah Edsel Condes Neri, gold medallion and plaque. Ronnie Hinto Palcotilo, gold medallion and plaque. Princess Shane T. Panes, gold medallion and plaque. Ben Ralph C. Relatores, gold medallion and plaque. Giselle M. Repotente, gold medallion and plaque. John Robert D. Ruadil, gold medallion and plaque. Eileen T. San Buenaventura, gold medallion and plaque. Luz Beminda C. San Lorenzo, gold medallion and plaque. Diana Joy Vales Sinogba, gold medallion and plaque. Mikey P. Tordilla, gold medallion and plaque. Tordilla will also receive the Service Recognition Award in grateful acknowledgement of her unwavering dedication and commitment in promoting the institutional brand of quality and affordable education as a student ambassador. Aljon S. Pogoy, gold medallion and plaque. He will also receive the Jesse M. Robredo Award for Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the 2024 Melchor Trinidad Villanueva Service Leadership Awardees. We now come to the conferment of the Special Academic Awards for Graduate Studies. Let the awardees of the Graduate Studies come forward to receive their awards. The Special Academic Awards are given to NCF bona fide graduating students for their exemplary performance in co-curricular activities in accordance with the criteria and guidelines set forth by the Committee on Special Academic Awards.
Salvador C. Flores, Doctor of Education, major in Human Resource Management, excellence in oral defense. Jerry E. Cortas Jr., Doctor of Philosophy, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Shanna Ann B. Dico, Doctor of Philosophy, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Hannibal C. Moran, Master of Science in Criminal Justice with specialization in criminology, excellence in oral defense. Miriam P. Alarcon, Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, excellence in oral defense. Alejandro P. Alorin II, Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics, excellence in oral defense. Chris Joven P. Arellano, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. Beverly C. Aspa, Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics, excellence in oral defense. Faye P. Barameda, Master of Arts in Education, major in English, excellence in oral defense. J.Ann L. Batiancila, Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics, excellence in oral defense. Nanema P. Bello, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. JVG Bola, Master of Arts in Education, major in English, excellence in oral defense. Jenny L. Bon, Master of Arts in Education, major in Home Economics, excellence in oral defense. Alexander B. Buere, Master in Public Administration, excellence in oral defense. Mary Grace S. Quadrante, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. Aaron N. NCEAN, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. Alma L. De Los Reyes, Master of Arts in Education, major in English, excellence in oral defense. Mark Andrew S. Dico, Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Jepoy P. Floriano, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. Nilogen P. Garciano, Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, excellence in oral defense. Salve A. Gonzalez, Master in Public Administration, excellence in oral defense. Mary Joy T. Ilano Borja, Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Sally Imperial, Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, excellence in oral defense. Maya C. Isidoro, Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics, excellence in oral defense. Manilyn I. Lara, Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Sarah B. Mangubat, Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, excellence in oral defense. Lizelle M. Manondo, Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Rosie L. Narvato, Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, excellence in oral defense. Krishna G. Navarro, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. Maria Erica Z. Nimo, Master of Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management, excellence in oral defense. Christine S. Ulit-Okit, Master of Arts in Education, major in English, excellence in oral defense. Rhea M. Pendor, Master of Arts in Education, major in English, excellence in oral defense. Henson A. Perez, Master in Public Administration, excellence in oral defense. Margie V. Titoriano, Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Leonel B. Riales, Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Donna C. Rebedin Lumabi, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. Marinel A. Rito, Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, excellence in oral defense. Via Katharina P. Ruz, Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management, excellence in oral defense. Roderick E. Rodell, Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education, excellence in oral defense. Bernardina Christy Abraham, Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino, excellence in oral defense.
now come to the conferment of the Special Academic Awards for Undergraduate Studies. The Special Academic Awards are given to NCF bona fide graduating students for their exemplary performance in co-curricular activities in accordance with the criteria and guidelines set forth by the Committee on Special Academic Awards. Let the candidates for graduation with academic distinction come forward and receive their awards. Candidates for graduation with academic distinction: Jan Francine B. Abante, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. Christian de la Trinidad Abdon, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino, with academic distinction and excellence in teaching internship. Joe Charles N. Alperez, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, with academic distinction. Antoinette P. Arreglo, Bachelor of Elementary Education, with academic distinction. Giselle N. Bande, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. Patricia Camila D. Baron, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, with academic distinction. Baby Jean P. Bruca, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, with academic distinction. May V. Kananaman, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. Rosenda C. Centura, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. Janice V. Cortezano, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies, with academic distinction and a recipient of Excellence in Teaching Internship Award. Patricia Bianca N. Del Rosario, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. Ranalyn T. Doliaga, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction and a recipient of Excellence in Practicum Award. Lilette V. Pavillar, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. Kyla May T. Gaza, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. K. Angel N. Langitan, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, with academic distinction. Mary Joy P. Marquez, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, with academic distinction. Maria Bridget Melia, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, with academic distinction. Maureen M. Morao, Bachelor of Elementary Education, with academic distinction. Jeanette Faye R. Morcilia, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, with academic distinction. Denise Ann P. Reyes, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, with academic distinction. Eileen T. San Buenaventura, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, with academic distinction. Jessamy A. San Pascual, Bachelor of Elementary Education, with academic distinction. Maria Riza A. Silo, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, with academic distinction. and Elika O. Viñas, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management with academic distinction. We now recognize the graduating students who have demonstrated mastery of the application of studied theories and a high level of competence, professionalism, and dedication to duty during the practicum or internship. Let the awardees of the Excellence in Practicum of the College of Criminal Justice Education come forward to receive their awards.
Claire Nicole U. Arcilia, Excellence in Practicum. Joy Marnelli P. Arco, Excellence in Practicum. Kathleen May B. Cominguez, Excellence in Practicum. Paul Justine L. Lagos, Excellence in Practicum. Annalie B. Lumbang, Excellence in Practicum. Wilmar Paul D. Marshall, Excellence in Practicum. Anne Faye P. Oberos, Excellence in Practicum. Alaika Suzanne R. Obligado, Excellence in Practicum. Nicole G. Referiza, Excellence in Practicum, and a recipient of Loyalty Award Gold Medallion. Minit R. Reorizo, Excellence in Practicum. Mikey P. Tordilla, Excellence in Practicum.
Let the awardees of the Excellence in Practicum of the College of Business and Management come forward to receive their awards. Rochelle B. Agravante, Excellence in Practicum. John Mel C. Año Nuevo, Excellence in Practicum. Mary France de Guzman Ballester, Excellence in Practicum. Ian May R. Crea, Excellence in Practicum. Cyril May B. Cerilio, Excellence in Practicum. Don Valen B. Colarina, Excellence in Practicum. Eunice O. Corralde, Excellence in Practicum. Carl Russell E. Elpa, Excellence in Practicum. Rafaela G. Encenares, Excellence in Practicum. Marjeline A. Manlangit, Excellence in Practicum. Nico M. Martinez, Excellence in Practicum. Darlene Jassy P. Milla, Excellence in Practicum. Eliza Jane C. Palas, Excellence in Practicum. Jazel Pauline S. Piñafiel, Excellence in Practicum. Renz Mark Ramos, Excellence in Practicum. Alison de los Santos Sanchez, Excellence in Practicum. Janine Abigail G. Sanchez, Excellence in Practicum. Ella J. L. Thailand, Excellence in Practicum. Cindy B. Vegas, Excellence in Practicum. Diane C. Villanueva, Excellence in Practicum. Aldrin R. Vista Jr., Excellence in Practicum. Let the awardees of the Excellence in Practicum of the College of Arts and Sciences come forward to receive their awards. Jonathan A. Baraga, Excellence in Practicum. Beverly H. Dapulang, Excellence in Practicum. Let the awardees of the Excellence in Teaching Internship of the College of Teacher Education come forward to receive their awards. Mark Christian A. Amante, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Manny D. Aragdon, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Roseanne U. Barameda, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Angeline T. Cabase, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Jasmine B. Cáceres, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Jaynard L. Cataga, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Crimson K. Consulta, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Anuel Kai B. Corporal, Excellence in Teaching Internship. April May C. Colaway, Excellence in Teaching Internship. John J. Desena, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Colen C. Flora, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Queenie Ann L. Flores, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Haku S. Fortuno, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Mary Grace A. Pranzo, Excellence in Teaching Internship. April Jane B. Golpe, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Venancio A. Latam, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Joshua L. Lazaro, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Aiza San Agustin Lazardo, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Camille T. Oliva, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Mark A. Palma, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Aryan L. Pasqua, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Rica Enrica Frente, Excellence in Teaching Internship. K. L. Roliano, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Jalame N. Saldivar, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Alvin P. San Juan, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Angelita V. Sapenoso, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Moriel F. Serrano, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Mary France V. Soriano, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Izer Jr. G. Terubias, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Nicole M. Vibo, Excellence in Teaching Internship. And Ayla Jari T. Villaranda, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Let the awardees of the Excellence in Practicum of the College of Accountancy and Finance come forward to receive their awards. Ella J. Alcomendas, Excellence in Practicum. Edith D. Apenado, Excellence in Practicum. Gia Sarah B. Bandola, Excellence in Practicum. Gwendolyn M. Bailen, Excellence in Practicum. Kim Angelo L. Besco, Excellence in Practicum. Mylene L. Cornelio, Excellence in Practicum. Cassie C. Flores, Excellence in Practicum. Jediah Edsel C. Neri, Excellence in Practicum. Janelle Zyla V. Pactao, Excellence in Practicum. Giselle M. Repotente, Excellence in Practicum. Nina K. A. San Jose, Excellence in Practicum. Charlene May Satuito, Excellence in Practicum. Ana Higel B. Santa Ana, Excellence in Practicum. And Mary Ann A. Valera, Excellence in Practicum. Let the awardees of the Excellence in Practicum of the College of Computer Studies come forward to receive their awards. Gerardo A. Ballester Jr., Excellence in Practicum. Rodeline N. Caturza, Excellence in Practicum. Chris D. Curva, Excellence in Practicum. Glenn F. Diasis, Excellence in Practicum. Jake S. Depositario, Excellence in Practicum. Emmanuel N. Inalpa III, Excellence in Practicum. Mary Hazel B. Fernandez, Excellence in Practicum. John Lloyd B. Orsine, Excellence in Practicum. John Paul U. Orsine, Excellence in Practicum. Alex B. Portez, Excellence in Practicum. Ivan A. Ramos, Excellence in Practicum. Danielle R. Remoquillo, Excellence in Practicum. And John Denver S. Sese, Excellence in Practicum. We now acknowledge the graduating students who have shown the highest expression of loyalty by entrusting their quest for learning to Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Let the graduating students with Loyalty Award come forward to receive their awards. Hannah Camille P. Tosok, Gold Medallion. Robert Dominic A. Amador, Silver Medallion. Nicole Luis R. Borromeo, Silver Medallion. Angel Grace M. De Jesus, Silver Medallion. Clark Warren D. Aparicio, Silver Medallion. Hazel Santa Ana Lopez, Silver Medallion. Princess Jewelyn B. Nicolas, Silver Medallion. Alexandra Nicole L. Mendoza, Silver Medallion. Joshua Marie R. Alden, Silver Medallion. Wilfred A. Bantog, Silver Medallion. Antoinette M. San Juan, Silver Medallion. Julian Catherine B. Sanchez, Silver Medallion. Danica May R. Segui, Silver Medallion. John Brenner H. Villamora, Silver Medallion. Janelle B. Nomo, Silver Medallion. Rowena C. Chavez, Silver Medallion. Salvador C. Colores, Silver Medallion. And Dedre Ann B. Labordo, Silver Medallion. Aljon S. Pogoy, the outgoing president of the Central Student Government and a recipient of the MTV Service Leadership Award Gold Medallion, will now deliver his Thanksgiving message on behalf of the awardees.
To our NCF President, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, to the respected Board of Trustees, to the Academic Council, headed by Dr. Marilyn Balares, the Executive Vice President, Dr. Aida P. Osea, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Maniquez, the respective deans of all the colleges, the Office for Student Services, Ma'am Marivic Balance, Office for Student Affairs, Mr. Sonri Buriano, ICSG Advisor, Ma'am Shane Valid-Bredejo, to all dignitaries, administrators, faculty, staff, and most especially the loving family, friends of the graduates of 2024, good afternoon. I am immensely grateful to receive the MTV Leadership Award and the Jesse Robredo Excellence Award. I stand here before you the courageous class of 2024. We are the pandemic generations. We haven't experienced graduation during our senior high school. Most of you continued, but majority of your friends, maybe your families, wasn't able to continue. I honor your courage because you struggled, you sacrificed, you poured your heart and soul to be in this moment. For all the students, and most especially the student leaders, I am certain that we all want to leave a mark, right? Do we want to leave a mark, to be remembered by the institution, to be remembered by our own community, and most especially, to be remembered by the people around us? Maybe for now, we want to be remembered having a lot of medals, certificates, and all recognition. But to tell you honestly, all of that are fleeting. Based on my experience, the thing that will imprint to the people's lives is how you touch their lives, how you help them. But I think the difficult question is, and that keeps on bugging me, is the question of what are we here for? Have you asked yourselves, what are you here for? Maybe to strive academic excellence, maybe to pursue volunteerism, leadership. After our academic success, we have now reached to the point where we can say that our sacrifices, blood and tears have paid off. When I started my studies at NCF in 2020, I didn't know what I was here for. My mom told me to continue my tertiary education, keep my grades high to get recognition. I just wanted, to experience the anonymity of college lives. Made some friends, hang out with them, and graduate, and also get the diploma. At the time, I didn't worry about social issues surrounding our community, especially our country. The inequality, the corruption, poverty, the jeepney phase out, and more. But in 2021, things have completely changed. As a major in communication under the College of Arts and Sciences, we did a lot of production work. We published stories. We filmed documentaries, and also we did news reporting. And to tell you, for me, that was a very transformative moment because I get to know the people's struggles. I get to know their stories, where they came from. In one of my major subjects, we were tasked to create a documentary. After a long process of knowing what kind of case study I will pick, eventually I choose the education of the children in my community because at the time, it was at the height of pandemic where the children in our own community, majority of them chose to stop because it was completely modular learning, right? We have teachers here, they know the struggles. So eventually, I encountered 3 children in my community from ages 8, 10 to 14. At the time, my definition of a typical children was like they're always happy. They don't bother themselves with family problems. They enjoy life. And sometimes, we want to go back to that kind of experience. My case study is about education and about their dreams. At their age, they didn't know how to write their names, recite the alphabet, and do the basic math. And as a college student, as a fortunate college student, there's a pain in me to see children having these kind of struggles while I am succeeding in my academic endeavors at that time. The only question that I had at that time was, what's your typical day? So the interview day came, and I asked them the first question. What are the typical day of those three children? The eldest responded, we were selling banana Q in community of Antipolo. During weekends, we ask our neighbors to do their laundry so that we can contribute and put food on our tables. And most of the time, nagpapastol sila ng itik just to get money from that. I wasn't prepared for about to come in the second question. And the question was, what kind of person you want to become? And then I follow up, what is your dream? Because for children, if you ask them what kind of person you want to become, they will say, I want to be a teacher, I want to be a doctor, and so on. So the eldest responded, gusto ko po maging artista kasi dakol po siya ng kwarta, right? The PBB. Well, the middle child responded with, quietness on her. And she said, and I can grasp her emotion. She said, ako po, sir, gusto ko pong maging pulis. Pero baka dahil na po, mayo nga ni kaming kinakakan minsan. And that answer shook me to the core. If you were an interviewer, we were trained to be professional by the One Media, to be not swayed by their emotions so that we can get the meat of the story. Because documentary has its purpose. And one purpose is to inspire the community, to inspire the mass. And then the interview come to conclude. And I talked to them, and I said, I will teach you how to write your name, to recite an alphabet, and to do the basic math. And at that time, at the back of my mind, I didn't even realize that I wasn't an education program. I didn't take the educational program like you did, College of Teacher and Education. The only math that we had in AB Communication is the math in the modern world. But I said, I will teach you guys. For about a month, every weekends, in spite of the weather, I traveled for 15 minutes walk across the rice field just to reach their home because they are expecting for me to arrive and teach them. Every session was a struggle because I was alone at that time. My classmates know this. I even asked them to donate papers, books. But eventually, we're able to help each other. I asked my acquaintances to help me to teach those children. And that 1 month of session, perhaps the last day of our session, I was really experiencing, emotional moment at that time because our session were about to close. I arrived at exactly 9:30 at their house. I gave their reading materials. I posted the alphabet on the wall. And while I was doing, my business at the time, I was taking records of their assignments. The 3 children approached me. They're smiling at me at that time. They gave me the letter, and on that letter, they wrote their names. They also wrote the alphabet, and they drew their dreams. I also have that letter in this moment. I kept those letters. When times like these, times where I struggled in my academics, those children uplift me to continue. Because whether you agree with me or not, we have the responsibility to make or break our community and the people's lives around us. From being a typical college student who just wants to graduate and get the diploma and climb the academic success, to becoming a person who teach children how to write their names and recite alphabet. But from then on, I was able to mobilize a project in my community through Rotary Club of Naga. The project was under the Basic Education and Literacy. It was the Angat Eduk Action, Kabataang May Pangarap, Libro ang Kaakibat. That project aims to uplift and elevate the reading comprehension and literacy rates of children. And that project in 2022 earned the top 5 most effective projects in my community in Antipolo. At the time, I look at that achievement not a success, because for me the success is that the children learned how to write their names and drew their dreams, especially recite the alphabet, because that's the basic. You may not know who you want to be if you don't ask yourself, what are you here for? And here's the 3 things that worked for me. First, live by with your own values. Class of 2024, especially the student leaders, at this point, you must be clear about the values you live by and uphold. It could be the values of our very own institution. The quality, excellence, service, and truth. These values will guide us to what kind of person we want to become, what kind of decision we want to make align with those values. Because being clear with your own values means that you know who you are and what kind of a person you want to become, and eventually answer the question of what are you here for. Second, be courageous. In leadership, courage is crucial. Also in our daily lives, courage is important. Voicing out concerns or by just simply raising your hands in recitation requires courage. As what Maria said, silence is complicit, and it's easy. It's easy to become silent when you see an oppressor discriminate an LGBTQ individual. It's silent to see children suffering from poverty, struggling to grasp their formal education while you are climbing the academic success. We have to speak up and stand firm to the things that scare us. But the question is, do we want a better future? I'd like to ask you again, do we want a better future? Parang dito lang yung narinig ko, dito parang ayaw nyo ata. Do you want a better future? A more equal, equipped leaders, no poverty. But in order to achieve that, you have to courageously act now. It's cliche to say it again. Jose Rizal said, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. And a lot of you will laugh. That's okay. But we are the future. What is happening now is the consequences of our decisions. The corruption, because we elect incompetent leaders. The discrimination happening because we are silent to speak up about that matter. Lastly, foster common grounds. In the society that is, we have a complexity in the dynamics of values, perspective, convictions, and the things that we fight for. You could ask your seatmate what her or his stand on the divorce. That's one basic example. This could bring disputes and discord among us, and worse, create division. Division or disconnection is now prevalent because our society labeled us with different colors, pink, blue, green, and etc. In spite of these labels and inflicting factors, we must foster and build common grounds. Differences are walls that separates us. And it's up to us as the future, as the leader, and the catalyst of change to break the wall that divide us. Instead, be more open, listen, and understand. Find common grounds that bind us because together we can achieve better. As we sail to our journey, this is, an exercise. I want to invite you guys to close your eyes for a second. Come on, close your eyes. Close your eyes and reminisce about the journey as a student, as a student leader, your struggle, your triumph, and most especially, the person that you want to become. And then, ask yourself, what am I here for? Okay, now you can open your eyes. Before I step down from this podium, I'd like to share a quote that always keeps me grounded, a quote from Maya Angelou, and it says this: when you learn, teach. When you get, give. I'll say it one more time. When you learn, teach. When you get, give. Congratulations, class of 2024.
Thank you, Aljon S. Pogoy, and congratulations to all the awardees. With your leadership and commitment to service, may you continuously innovate and make a difference for yourself and others. Be proud of who you are, NCEANs. Let us all stand as the graduating class of 2024 will now sing the NCF hymn. Please remain standing in place for the photo opportunity, beginning with the graduate studies. Photo opportunity. Please be seated. Please all stand for the photo opportunity.